Do you enjoy analysing data and doing research? If so, our Mastering Data Analysis with Excel is the perfect course for you. Learn to master Microsoft Excel and gain the most out of it, while simplifying your data analysis and research more than you ever knew was possible. You'll also get to learn how to use the advanced features of Excel, through which you can measure business growth, understand forecasting, and become an expert researcher or analyst. This program is suitable for a beginner or for an advanced user who wishes to increase their knowledge about using Excel for complex business analysis. Become a data analyst, researcher, or a business analyst and give yourself the chance to enjoy a highly in-demand, well-paying, and progressive career. When you join us, you get to enjoy a range of benefits, such as our NUS Extra Discount Card, e-learning materials, and excellent student support when you sign up with us, so that you can enjoy learning easily from your home. Your career goals are not far away. Why wait? Start today.